graph number 2 for graphs on one page. Business cycles. All right, business cycles, fairly straightforward. You don't actually have to know how to draw this graph for an FRQ, but you do need to know what it is, what it shows for potential multiple choice questions. You need to know your business cycle and the stages and what is going on within each. So it's an important graph to know. What the business cycle is showing is GDP over time. And all economists, doesn't matter what school of thought you follow, agree that these happen. And they happen in this order, right? Typically we measure cycles from trough to trough. But I'm an optimist, so let's start when things are good. So step number 1 is when the economy is increasing. Your fear at this point in time is during an increasing GDP is inflation, but we call this phase an expansion. Things are good, right? What goes up must come down, but before it comes down, we hit our peak for that cycle. That is when we are efficient. So point number 2 is a peak. You're at your highest rate of employment at this time. Now, it does have to come down. We call those a recession, or can be considered a contraction. You have rising unemployment levels. Not good. And then at some point you will hit the bottom of that recession for that cycle and your trough. So some other points to know. Again, we measure from trough to trough. And each cycle, so going through all 4 phases, usually lasts 5 to 7 years. So you have more of these to look forward to in your lifetime. So there again, business cycles. No notes on the back this time.